Mastering quantitative adjectives. Count, measure, quantify. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're delving deep into the world of quantitative adjectives. We'll learn what they are and, most importantly, how to use them correctly in sentences. So grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Quantitative adjectives, as the name suggests, indicate quantity or amount. They answer questions like, how many, or how much. Words like some, many, few, all, are classic examples of quantitative adjectives. But remember, the context in which they're used is key. Now that we know what quantitative adjectives are, let's see how they work in sentences. When using these adjectives, you need to pay attention to whether the noun they modify is countable or uncountable. For example, you can say, I have many friends, because friends is a countable noun. But I have much water is correct because water is an uncountable noun. Let's put this knowledge into practice. Here are some sentences for you to complete with the correct quantitative adjective. 1. I have blank, some, much, apples in the basket. 2. She has blank, many, few, patience. 3. There is blank, little, some, milk left in the jug. 4. I read blank, all, many, the books in the library. You'll find the correct answers at the end of the video. Here's a useful tip to remember. Few, many, and several are used with countable nouns, while little, much, and some can be used with uncountable nouns. Be mindful of this distinction to avoid common mistakes. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding and using quantitative adjectives. Remember, practice is key. So, keep practicing the exercises we discussed and soon you'll master the art of using quantitative adjectives. Until next time, happy learning. Answers to practice and exercises. 1. I have some apples in the basket. 2. She has little patience. 3. There is little milk left in the jug. 4. I read all the books in the library.